Greetings to all. Today we are going to discuss perimeter and area. Perimeter of a triangle, perimeter of different polygons in terms of triangles, area of square, area of rectangle, area of triangle also by help of area of rectangle or square, types of angles and its symbol applications, data analysis using bar diagram, that is bar graph, and line chart. The children, let us discuss triangles first. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. In the figure, ABC is a triangle. Here the points A, B, C are called vertices of the triangle. Now let us discuss perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of length of its three sides. For example, here triangle ABC is there with AB 6 cm, BC 4 cm and CA or AC 5 cm. Then the perimeter of triangle ABC equal to AB plus BC plus CA, that is 6 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15 centimeter. Now let us find the perimeter of a polygon of a different shape, an irregular shape. And here the polygon is polygon A, B, C, D, E, F. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. It's a 5-sided polygon. Let us add all the side length. So the perimeter is 6 plus 4.5 plus 6.5 plus 4 plus 5 centimeter each. Let us add all this. So it's simple and we will get 26 centimeter. So the perimeter is 26 centimeter, the perimeter of this given figure. Now let us discuss area of a rectangle. You know, a rectangle is a 4-sided polygon. Here, the area, there is a length and there is a breadth. So, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. For example, there is a rectangle here with length 30 cm and breadth 20 cm. So, the area is 30 into 20 and that is equal to 600. We have to write the unit as centimeter square because the unit of area is square units. So, here centimeter is the unit. So, the area is 600 centimeter square. That should be noted. The unit of area is square unit. If it is centimeter, centimeter square. If it is meter, meter square. Now what is area of a square? A square is a 4-sided polygon in which all 4 sides are equal. So and also it's a 4-sided rectangle in which all sides are equal. So area of a square is side into side. Let us find the area of a square plot of side 8 meter. So it is very simple. Area is 8 into 8 and that is equal to 64 meters square. Now let us find the area of triangle ABD in the given figure. The given figure is a rectangle. Here it is a 4-sided polygon in which all angles are 90 degree. So it is a rectangle. Now if you draw a line by joining B and D, that is called the diagonal. If you draw the diagonal, we are getting 2 parts, 2 same triangle. So we have to find the area of triangle ABD. So naturally, area of triangle ABD will be half of area of rectangle. Now what is area of rectangle here? Area of rectangle is equal to 7 is the length 7 centimeter, length is 4 centimeter, 7 into 4. That is 28 centimeter square. So what about the area of triangle ABD? It is half of area of rectangle and that is half of 28, that is 14 centimeter square. So quite simple. Let us discuss the types of angles. The children, one full circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Then each part is called a right angle. So, one full circle, if you divide it into 4 equal parts, each part is called a right angle. It is angle circle. It is a right angle. Now, how will you measure an angle? Dear children, one complete revolution, that is one full circle, if it is divided into 360 equal parts with respect to the center, from the center, if you are dividing into 360 equal parts, then each part is called 1 degree. You can see from the figure that this total circle is divided into 360 equal parts, then each part is called 1 degree. Now, based on this angle, we can need different angles. That is measurement. Based on the measurement, we can need different angles. Acute angle, an angle measured less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. Dear children, one complete revolution is divided into 4 equal parts, and each equal part is called a right angle. So 360 divided by 4, 90. So one right angle is equal to 90 degree. Is 90 less than 90 degree, then that angle is called an acute angle. From the figure, you can see that how an acute angle will be. I told you, a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. So from the figure, it is clear, right angle. Another angle is also, that is obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, less than half of the circle, and that is called an obtuse angle. So acute angle less than 90 degree, obtuse angle greater than 90 degree, equal to 90 degree, it is right angle. Is it clear? Dear children, what is a bar diagram? A bar diagram or bar graph is the display of information using bars of uniform width. The width will be uniform and their heights being proportional to the respective values. Height will be the given values. Let us have some questions regarding all these. The children, the first question. The area of the adjacent figure is, there is a figure given. It consists of two triangles. You can see the two triangles and one square. In middle there is a square because the mark is given as all sides are equal. So 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, or 12 centimeter. So it's a square. All sides are equal. And two triangles also. How to find its area? Dear children, we can cut that triangle, this triangle in the left side, and keep it as the right side. We can remove the triangle, cut and take it back and keep here. Let us see what happens. So when we keep the triangle here, so what we will get? Let us hide that portion. So we can keep, I am hiding that triangle. Now it is cutted and kept here. Now what we will get? It is a rectangle right now. So the length is 12 plus 4 and breadth is what? Breadth is the 4 is added, so length is 12 plus 4 and breadth is 12 centimeter. So what will be the area of this figure? That is the given figure. Area of the given figure. Actually, the given figure become a rectangle right now. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what is length here? Length is 12 centimeter plus 4 centimeter equal to 16 centimeter. What about breadth? Breadth is equal to, it is the side of the square, and that is 12 centimeter. So breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, area of the given figure, area is equal to area of rectangle, and that is equal to length into breadth. That is equal to 16 into 12. 16 centimeter into 12 centimeter. 16 centimeter into 12 centimeter. And what will be the answer? 16 into 12 centimeter, and that is equal to 192 centimeter square. It is 192 centimeter square. You have write the unit as centimeter square. So 192 centimeter square. So the answer is C. Dear children, let us have another question. The question is, how many rectangular slabs of 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter? It means that 10 centimeter is the length, 8 centimeter is the breadth. are required to cover the floor of a hall that is 12 meter length and 10 meter width. What to do? First of all, we have to find the area of the floor. Area of the floor equal to 12 meter into 10 meter. But the slabs are given in centimeters, so we have to convert it into centimeter. So 1200, that is 1200 centimeter into 10 meter means 1000 centimeter. And that is equal to, you will get 12 lakh, 12, then 5 zeros. That much of centimeter square. The unit is centimeter square. So that is area of the floor. Now let us find area of one slab. Area of one slab is equal to 10 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Length is 10, breadth is 8. So that is equal to 80 centimeter square. Now we have to find the number of slabs required. Number of slabs is equal to area of the floor divided by area of one slab. Area of floor by area of one slab, and that is equal to 12 lakh divided by 80. 12 lakh centimeter square divided by 80 centimeter square, and when it is easy, we will get the answer as 15,000. So 15,000 slabs are required. Answer is B. Now let us discuss the next question. A rectangular field has a length 150 meter and a breadth 175 meter. So find the distance covered in 3 rounds of field. So there is a rectangle. Let's have a rectangle here. So the rectangle, let me just shaping only, changing what we will get here. The rectangle, there is a length is 175 meter. So let us reshape it somewhat proportional. So 175 meter is the length and 150 meter is the breadth. So what about the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to, we have to add all these things. Perimeter is equal to perimeter of the rectangular field. Right? Perimeter of the field is equal to all breadth is 150 and length 175. 175 plus 150 plus 175 plus 150, and that's equal to we will get as a 650. 325 plus 320, 650 meter, and that is the field, perimeter of the field. Now, how many rounds are the number of rounds is equal to 3. Number of rounds is equal to 3. Therefore, the distance covered is equal to distance covered is equal to how much? 650 into 3, and that is equal to 1950 meter. So that is the distance covered. Let us discuss another question. The answer is B. So we can discuss the next question. Answer. The perimeter of a square is 164 meter. So perimeter of a square is given as 154 meter. Find the area of the square. Perimeter is 164. Area of the square. Perimeter is equal to 154. Perimeter is what? Perimeter is equal to 164. Perimeter of square is equal to 164. Now, what is perimeter? It is 4 into one side. 4 into one side equal to 164. You may write as a one side, not a. One side. 4 into one side is equal to 164 meter. Therefore, one side will be equal to 164 divided by 4, and that is equal to 41 meter. Now, what about area. Area is side into side. Area of square is side into side. And that's equal to 41 into 41. And that is equal to 1681 square root. So the answer is C. C is the answer. Let us discuss another question. And this is the graphical question. You see, there is a graph, bar graph given. You study the graph and answer the following questions. Which is the most preferred color and which is the least preferred? This is the color is given as a preferred colors. And most preferred color is the largest color, largest bar, and that is blue graph. So the most preferred color is equal to blue. Blue is the most preferred color. So it is blue. Then there is another question part also, least preferred. Least preferred, from the graph it's very clear, the least preferred is green. Least preferred is equal to green, the green color. Now, the second part is, how many colors are there in all? What are they? And it's very simple. There are 5 colors and the colors are red, green, blue, yellow and orange. That's all. It's a very simple question. Let us discuss another one. So this is a line graph. Go through the line graph and answer the following. Dear children, there is a horizontal line and it is x-axis. Year is marked and vertical profit is marked. Company A is marked in blue and company B is marked in the purple color. In which year the profit is maximum for company A? So you see the blue color and where the maximum in the blue, you can see that it is maximum at 90. 90 comes in which year? In the year 2000. That is maximum profit is at the year 2000. Is at 2000. Year 2000. Now, what about B? In which year the profit is minimum for the company B? Company B in purple color. You see the purple color graph. In the purple color graph, you can see it is 66.5. So, it is in 96. So, the year is 1996. 1996. Okay? Dear children, let us have another question. The incomplete bar graph shows Samyukta's savings during first 5 months of a particular year. She saved a total of rupees 950 during 5 months. The amount of money saved in February was as much as that she was saved in March. How much did she save in February? There is a graph given here, bar graph is given. Okay, January, February, March, April, May. Now, during first 5 months, and total is 950. And February and March equal amount saved. We have to find February savings. Now, what about the total? Total is equal to rupees 950. Rupees 950. Okay. Now, January savings from the bar graph, you can see that it is equal to, now you can see it is 170, rupees 170. 170 in January. Now, in April, because in February and March it is incomplete. So, in April, and you can see from the graph it is 90. And what about May? May, we can see from the graph it is 170. 170. So, it is 170. So, let us add this. So, we will get it is 430. So, it is 3 4s, 430. So, 430 for the 3 months. Now, what about February and March? February plus March savings. February plus March savings is equal to the total minus 430. So, total minus 430. So, that is equal to 950 minus 430, and that's equal to 520. It is 520. Okay. But for February and March, the savings are equal. So equal savings in both February and March. So what about February's savings? February's savings will be half of the amount 520. That is 1 by 2 into 520. Half of 520. And that is equal to rupees 260. So the correct answer is rupees 260. That is answer C. Okay. Dear children, today we have discussed perimeter and the area of different polygons. Perimeter of a triangle, perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square, perimeter of different polygons, area of rectangle, area of square, area of triangle, in terms of area of rectangle and different angles, and the study using bar graphs and line graphs. Hope that it is clear to everybody. Okay, so these are the topics included for JNVST 2024. There are 12 topics in arithmetic session. We have covered all the 12 topics in these 5 video lessons. Wish you all the best. Stay blessed. Thank you.